Hello friends, in this video I'll be explaining Floyd cycle detection algorithm. So this algorithm is used to find the loop in a linked list. So if there is a loop in order to detect that loop, we can use this algorithm. But before using this algorithm, in order to find a loop, we can use naive approach. Like what we can do, we can traverse this linked list, and while traversing we are going to store each node in a hash map data structure. Okay, so currently if I am standing on the head of a node or of a linked list, I'll be moving from this and I'll be traversing each and every node which are there. So from head I'll be moving to this, then this node, then this node, and while moving to a node I'll be storing each node in a hash map. So I'll be moving to this node and I'll be storing it in a hash map. Then I'll be moving to this node, then this node, this node, this node, and at last this node. So basically this node is repeating, or it's encountered twice. So if node encountered twice, it means that there is a loop in a linked list. But the problem is that it uses an extra space. Okay, so if I want to detect a loop with linear time complexity and constant space complexity, I need this algorithm. And in this algorithm, there are two pointer, slow and fast. So basically it uses two pointer technique. Slow pointer moves one step at a time and fast pointer moves two step at a time. So basically both slow and fast pointer will be pointing to the head of a linked list. So this is slow and this is fast. Okay, so slow pointer moves one step at a time. So so slow pointer will move over here and fast pointer moves two step at a time. So fast pointer will move over here. Okay, in one iteration this will be the condition. In next iteration again slow pointer will point to this node and fast pointer will point to this node. Slow pointer again will point to this node and fast pointer will be pointing to this node. So basically slow pointer is moving one step at a time and fast pointer is moving two step at a time. Now again slow pointer is pointing to this node and fast pointer is pointing to this node. Okay, slow pointer is pointing to this node, fast pointer is pointing to this node. Like from this it moves two step, one step and then two steps. So fast pointer is pointing to this node, slow pointer is pointing to this node, and from this the fast pointer will be pointing to like two step, one step, two steps. So it will be pointing to this node. So basically slow and fast pointer meets at a point. So if it occurs, then it indicates that yes, there is a loop in a linked list. Okay, so basically slow and fast pointer will be there. Slow will be moving one step, fast will be moving two step, and if there is a loop in a linked list, it means at a point slow and fast pointer will meet each other. So if slow and fast pointer while traversing the linked list meet each other, it indicates that yes, there is a loop in a linked list. So this is task 1 in order to like identification of loop in a linked list. Now the next task is to find the meeting point. Okay, so basically the meeting point of this linked list is this point. So this point is a meeting point, and in order to find meeting point, what we can do is that we can move this slow pointer and put it to point to the head of a linked list. Okay, so basically in algorithm part 1, basically slow pointer and fast pointer meets each other at this node. So it detects loop is there in a linked list. Now after that, after detecting loop, we can make slow pointer to point to the head of a linked list. Okay, so basically fast pointer is pointing to this node and slow pointer is pointing to the head. Now both slow and fast pointer will move one step at a time. Okay, so from here slow pointer will move to the next node, fast pointer will move to this node, slow pointer will move to this node, fast pointer will move to this node, and slow pointer will point to this node and fast pointer will point to this node. And finally, when slow and fast again meet each other, the meeting point is the point where loop is connected to it. Okay, so basically in first part I have detected a loop where slow pointer moves one step at a time and fast pointer moves two step at a time. After finding a point like where slow and fast meet each other, it indicates that there is a loop. Now the next step will be to put slow pointer pointing to the head of a linked list. So what I did was I have removed slow pointer from this node and put it to point to the head of a linked list, and fast pointer is pointing to this node. Okay, so the next part is after putting slow pointer pointing to the head of a linked list, I'll be moving both the slow and fast pointer one step at a time. So if both slow and fast pointer moves one step at a time, then the node at which both slow and fast will meet, that node is the meeting point or the common point where the loop is attached with. Okay, so this is the loop and the meeting point is this node. So this is known as Floyd cycle detection.